A battle of eras in the summer touring segment. The all-new Pirelli Cinturato C3 enters the ring, looking to dethrone a veteran, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus. With the Primacy 5 already announced, this might be the Primacy 4 Plus last major test. Will experience preview, or does fresh innovation reign supreme? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's 2025 Best Touring Tyre Test. In wet braking, the Pirelli Cinturato C3 stops 2.2 meters shorter, giving it a 9% advantage over the Primacy 4 Plus, making it the better choice in emergency stops. And around the wet handling circuit, the C3 is 3.29 seconds faster, translating to a 3% improvement in lap times, with superior grip and control. However, in straight-line aquaplaning, the Primacy 4 Plus fights back, maintaining a 2 km higher slipping speed, a 2% advantage, showing better resistance to hydroplaning. But overall, the Cinturato C3 dominates in wet performance. On dry roads, the Cinturato C3 stops 1.09 meters shorter, giving it a 3% edge in braking. Around the dry handling circuit, it's 0.82 seconds quicker, translating to a 1% improvement. When it comes to subjective dry handling, the Cinturato C3 scores 0.25 points higher, indicating a slightly more engaging driving experience. The C3 edges out the Primacy 4 Plus, but only slightly. The Primacy 4 Plus fights back in comfort and noise. It scores 1 point higher in subjective comfort, and it's 0.8 dB quieter, a 1% reduction, making it the better option for long drives. If ride refinement matters to you, the Primacy 4 Plus still holds strong. How about fuel efficiency? The Primacy 4 Plus wins again with a 0.13 lower rolling resistance coefficient value, translating to a 2% reduction, meaning better fuel economy. But when it comes to cost, the Cinturato C3 is 6% cheaper, making it a much affordable case. A better performer for less? That's an attractive deal. So, what's the verdict? The outstanding Pirelli Cinturato C3 takes the crown. It dominates in wet, dry, and also comes at a slightly cheaper price. On the other hand, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus still excels in comfort, noise, and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.